Memory challenge. Listen and repeat. Hi, my name is Fernanda Santos. I'm from Brazil, but now I live in Seattle, Washington, in the United States. I'm here to study English for 1 year. The weather here is nice. It's not too hot and it's often rainy. Some people feel blue when it rains, but for me it's different. I like the rain. I think it's beautiful, and it makes me happy. My family is in Brazil, but I have a lot of new friends here. I try to speak English with my friends every day after class. We have lunch and study together. They help me understand the grammar and vocabulary. I also watch TV in English. It's really difficult to understand, but I can learn a lot of new words. In class, I can also ask the teacher when I have questions. I ask a lot of questions about the homework. The teacher is really nice and he helps me. Today in class, we have a quiz. I hope it will be easy. Nice. You finished.